Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with some awesome news today. Miss Sandy, who is Decorate Your Life here on YouTube, will be doing a live tomorrow, a live hop tomorrow with Craft Stash. And she will be on at 10:45 Eastern Standard Time, which is 9:45 Central. 9:45 a.m. Central. And she's doing this with Craft Stash. There will be a giveaway from Craft Stash for a $20 store credit to use Sandy's digital. Okay. This is the kit she will be using. She will be using the kit. This kit is called My Sweet Little Princess. Now, I've done projects with this kit here already, and it is a great kit to work with. But if you want, I will try to link the Craft Stash channel down below in the description box and in the comment section. So if y'all want to watch Miss Sandy tomorrow at 10:45 Eastern Standard Time and 9:45 a.m. Central Standard Time, live on the Craft Stash YouTube channel, you'll have a chance to win a Craft Stash $20 store credit to use on Sandy's digital. So there's no physical prizes, only Sandy's collection. So if y'all want to do that, it'd be greatly appreciated. Okay? So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. Also, please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, be positive. And also, be supportive. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And bye-bye for now.